Cars are incredible machines that make life easier, but they can also be a huge drain on your wallet if you neglect small maintenance tasks. Many car owners don't realize that most expensive repairs can be prevented with a little effort and attention. Today, I'm going to show you 10 expensive car repairs you can avoid and how simple habits can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. Stick with me until the end, because even small habits you adopt today can prevent big, costly problems tomorrow. Hack number 10. Brake pads. Brake pads are one of the most critical safety components of your car, and yet they're often ignored until it's too late. Worn-out pads can cause metal-to-metal contact with your rotors, resulting in rotor damage that can cost $400 to $600 per axle. You'll notice signs like squeaking, grinding, or a longer stopping distance, but don't wait for the sound to appear. Inspect your pads every 5,000 miles or during routine tire rotations. Many cars allow you to replace pads yourself with minimal tools, saving both labor and parts cost. Even if you go to a mechanic, replacing worn pads early is far cheaper than repairing damaged rotors. Pro tip: if you hear a high-pitched squeal, that's the pad's built-in indicator telling you it's time to replace. Don't ignore it. Hack number 9. Oil changes. Oil is the bloodline of your engine, and skipping changes is one of the fastest ways to ruin your car. Dirty oil loses its ability to lubricate moving parts, which increases friction, causes overheating, and eventually leads to engine failure. Rebuilding or replacing an engine can cost $3,000 to $7,000 or even more for luxury vehicles. Check your oil level at least once a month and replace it according to your manufacturer's schedule, usually every 3,000 to 5,000 miles for conventional oil or up to 7,500 miles for synthetic. Don't forget the oil filter. It traps contaminants that could otherwise damage your engine. Even if you don't change it yourself, scheduling regular oil changes is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to extend engine life. Pro tip: keep a spare quart of oil in your car, especially for older vehicles. A quick top-up can prevent engine damage during emergencies. Hack number 8. Transmission fluid maintenance. Your car's transmission is one of the most expensive parts to repair. Automatic transmission rebuilds can cost anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000. The secret to avoiding this? Regular transmission fluid checks and changes. Dirty or low fluid causes gears to slip, overheating, and eventually full transmission failure. For most vehicles, check the transmission fluid every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, or according to the manufacturer's schedule. If it looks dark, smells burnt, or has particles, it's time for a change. Many cars allow you to top off fluid easily, and some fluid changes you can even do yourself, saving hundreds in labor. Pro tip: use the exact type of fluid your car manufacturer recommends. Mixing fluids can cause serious damage. Hack number 7. Coolant and radiator care. Overheating engines are a nightmare, and a failed radiator or water pump can cost $800 to $1,500 to repair. The key is maintaining the cooling system. Check coolant levels monthly and inspect for leaks, cracks, or discoloration. Flush the system every 30,000 miles to remove rust and buildup, which prevents overheating and protects the engine block. Also, keep an eye on the radiator hoses. Soft, cracked, or bulging hoses are a ticking time bomb. Pro tip: use a 50-50 mix of coolant and distilled water, and never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. It can spray scalding fluid. Hack number 6: tire maintenance and rotation. Tires are expensive. Premium sets can cost $800 to $1,200, and uneven wear can lead to early replacement, alignment issues, or even accidents. Regular tire rotation every 5,000 to 7,500 miles ensures even wear across all tires. Check tire pressure monthly. Underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency and overheat, while overinflated tires wear unevenly. Inspect for cracks, bulges, or embedded objects, and replace tires before the tread gets dangerously low. Pro tip: keep a tire pressure gauge in your glove box and set the pressure according to the manufacturer's recommendation, not what's printed on the tire itself. Hack number 5: battery care and terminals. Dead batteries and corroded terminals are another huge cause of expensive breakdowns, sometimes costing $200 to $400 for replacement if your car fails suddenly. Inspect your battery monthly. Clean any corrosion on terminals with a baking soda water mixture and a brush, and ensure the connections are tight. Check the battery voltage. Anything below 12.4 volts when the car is off is a warning. Extreme weather, especially cold winters or hot summers, can shorten battery life. Pro tip: apply a thin coat of petroleum jelly or dielectric grease to terminals to prevent corrosion and extend battery life. Also, avoid leaving electronics plugged in when the car is off. It slowly drains your battery. Hack number 4: brake pad inspection and replacement. Worn brakes are not just dangerous, they're expensive. Ignoring squeaks or reduced braking performance can lead to full rotor replacement, which can cost $500 to $1,000. Check brake pads every 10,000 to 15,000 miles. Most pads have a wear indicator that makes a high-pitched squeal when replacement is needed. Look for uneven wear, deep grooves, or metal showing through the pad. Replacing brake pads before they're fully worn prevents rotor damage and costly repairs. Pro tip: if you do it yourself, always replace pads on both wheels of the same axle to maintain balanced braking. And don't forget to bleed the brakes after installation if needed. It ensures safe, consistent performance. Hack number 3: spark plugs and ignition maintenance. Faulty spark plugs or ignition components can cause misfires, reduced fuel efficiency, and long-term engine damage. Replacing them on time can prevent engine repairs that run $500 to $1,500. Most modern cars recommend changing spark plugs every 30,000 to 100,000 miles, depending on the type. Look for black, sooty deposits, corrosion, or worn electrodes. A small investment of $10 to $50 per plug can save you hundreds in labor and prevent catalytic converter damage. Pro tip: when replacing, check your ignition coils and wires for wear. They often fail alongside plugs and can cause a cascading problem if ignored. Hack number 2: air filter and cabin filter care. Dirty air filters can reduce engine efficiency, increase fuel consumption, and overwork the engine, potentially causing $300 to $800 in repairs over time. Check your engine air filter every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, or more often in dusty environments. Cabin filters are equally important. They keep your AC system clean and prevent the blower motor from overworking. Dirty filters can lead to poor airflow, AC failure, or even mold buildup. Replacement is simple. Most filters slide in and out without tools. Pro tip: use high-quality OEM filters. Cheap ones may not trap dust effectively and shorten your engine's life. Hack number 1. Regular oil changes and quality oil. The most critical maintenance of all, your engine oil. Skipping oil changes or using poor quality oil can cause catastrophic engine damage, often costing $3,000 to $5,000 for a full replacement. Change oil every 3,000 to 7,500 miles, depending on your car and oil type. Always use the viscosity and quality recommended by the manufacturer. Dirty oil causes sludge buildup, reduces lubrication, and increases wear on internal components. Pro tip: check oil levels monthly and top off if low. Investing in high-quality synthetic oil may cost a little more up front, but significantly extends engine life and prevents major repairs. These 10 hacks are simple, actionable, and can save you thousands of dollars over the life of your car. Most require nothing more than regular inspection, basic tools, and attention to small warning signs. The key is consistency. Neglecting even one system can lead to costly repairs. Implement these strategies, stay proactive, and your car will stay reliable and efficient for years. Remember, knowledge is power, and in car maintenance, it's also money in your pocket. Take control of your vehicle today and avoid expensive surprises tomorrow.